Ah, kind of cool. I picked up this soup can today. Well, they call it a soup can because of these ribs, right? But it's recognized in the industry, or at least by collectors, as being a soup can. So I picked up the soup can. It's a twin mantle lantern. Right, so twin mantle soup can, manufactured in April of 1965. I brought it home. The check valve was garbage. The stem was missing for the check valve. The pump was nothing. So the pump rod was there with what was a piece of crap leather on it. So a new leather pump cup, a brand new check valve, and a brand new stem. A little rinse with some acetone. Two brand new Peerless mantles, HG2Cs, and 35 pumps. And this thing has been going on my front step since, what is it? It's now 5:30, and it's been running since 1 o'clock. So 4.5 hours this thing's been running. And working great. I could probably pull it down and pump it up a bit more, but I'm going to be shutting it off soon because I got to get ready to leave. I'm probably going to have to release the pressure now. The fuel cap was leaking terrible, and so I put an Amish cap on it. I have an Amish fuel cap right here. You know, with the Schrader valve, you know. This is what we use if we have a problematic lantern that doesn't want to cooperate by way of the pump and you don't feel like doing it. If the check valve isn't leaking and you can tighten it up enough to just use a bicycle pump or a compressor to put some pressure into the fount with some fuel in there, you can find out whether or not the damn thing works, you know, whether or not the generator is functioning, whether or not the tip cleaner, that little wheel right there, that's the tip cleaner, run around a few times. And the generator that's the generator right there, that rod right there. This is the air tube that goes up and feeds the the air. The fuel is introduced right here in the middle, and then it's divided in between the two mantles. So here and here, the air comes up here, goes into, I don't know if you can, yeah, there it is. You can see it where it's divided. And, this thing's not in bad shape. And I didn't pay much for it. I paid $30 for that lantern. And the cost for a new check valve and stem was about $20. And I saw another friend of mine today, and he gave me a lantern and about another, I don't know, third of a gallon of fuel. And this thing's running on that third of a gallon. There's still some left in the can that he gave me, but I don't know. It's just awesome. What a great hobby! Lots of fun to play with. I love it. Take care, everyone.